spa. Getting away is not that hard. Vacation in your own backyard.
The next cleaner we're going to look at today is what we call the Aquabot Industrial, or also known as the Z1. This cleaner is a track cleaner, and it will clean and scrub both in the front and in the rear of the cleaner. So we'll do a nice job of scrubbing the bottom of the pool, and as you'll see in just a minute, as it climbs up on the walls, we'll do a nice job of scrubbing the water line up around the top. This cleaner you would use on an in-ground pool, pools that have deep ends, diving depth, up to 8-9 feet of depth. These cleaners also hook up the same way as the cleaner I showed you previous, where it will plug right into the power supply. You want to make sure the power supply is far enough away from the pool that the cleaner won't drag the power supply into the pool. And again, very easily, you just kind of set it in the pool, kind of help submerge it down, and the cleaner should and will sink to the bottom of the pool. You then want to make sure you put all the cord in the pool. Once it's sitting on the bottom, you can plug the cleaner in. And the cleaner will start to work. Right now, as you see it, it's coming up the wall, coming to the top of the surface here. Where we'll do a nice job of scrubbing the water line. You also see it's coming a little bit this direction. It'll kind of come across, scrub the wall, right at the water line. And then in a minute, it'll stop and reverse. Again, another important thing with this cleaner is if the bag is dirty, the cleaner won't like to climb the walls well. It'll spend all its time on the floor and it'll have a hard time moving. So if you notice the cleaner is doing that, you'll need to make sure that you take the bag out, clean it off well, and then put it back in. Each cleaner runs a little bit different time cycle. The cleaner will run until the time is done. If the pool is not clean yet at that time, you can turn the cleaner back on and have it run another cycle. This cleaner will go quite a long direction in one particular direction before it will turn in and go the other direction, because it's made to go in a little bit larger pools than what we're demonstrating and showing here. Once the pool is clean and you're ready to take the cleaner out of the pool, make sure you shut the power down. You can kind of pull the cord to move the cleaner back across the pool to where you're at to get it out of the pool. The one thing you want to make sure you don't do is once the pool cleaner gets to the surface, because the cleaner is pretty well weightless in water, but once you get it to the surface of the pool, instead of pulling it out by the cord, grab the handle and then lift it out. And that's basically the operation of the T-1 Industrial robotic vacuum.
Tiger's Pool and Spa.